I ain't playing with you.
Yeah. You are walking trophy. Girl, you are walking trophy. You are walking trophy.
From the title of this video, you can see that I'll be doing a collaboration with OQ Glamour. All her details will be in the description bar down below. So go check her out, subscribe to her page, and don't forget to like this video. As you can see, I've already done my brows off camera, and now I'm priming my lids with the LA Girl Pro Concealer in Warm Honey. And now I'm just blending this into the skin before setting it with my Sacha Buttercup setting powder. Don't mind me, I was just on the phone and I was cutting off, so yeah. So now I'm just going to highlight my brows, and I'm just using this gold eyeshadow from a regular drugstore palette to do so, to further intensify the definition of my brows. I then went in with this purple shade from the Huda Beauty Electric Obsession palette, and I'm applying this as my first transition shade. And as you can see, I'm just dabbing it on and then I'm blending it so it doesn't look too harsh on the lids. I then went in with a next purple from the Huda Beauty Dusk palette to darken that purple shade, and I'm applying that just below the first transition shade that I've done. To further define my outer crease, I went back in with a purple shade from the JACLYN Hill and Morphy palette to define my eyes a bit more. I also bring this down to the lid area to further put some intensity and definition to my eye. Then I proceed to cut in my crease with the LA Girl Pro Concealer in Classic Ivory. Once I was finished, I went off camera to let it dry, and then I went in with the purple shade from the JACLYN Hill and Morphy palette, and I applied a bit of that to the cut crease area so it can further define the colors that I'll be adding to the inner corners and the middle part of my eyelids. I ensure that though I'm packing it on, I'm blending it so it doesn't look too harsh. I then went in with this goldish whitish eyeshadow, and I'm applying this to the inner creases of my eyes, and I'm just packing it on, and I packed on about 6 layers before I was happy with the outcome and definition of how the color stand on my eyelids. I then went in with this bronze shade and I applied that to the outer corner of my cut crease. You can also see on camera that I've applied a bit of black to my eyelids to further define and intensify the look that I'll be going for. I'm then blending the black and purple into the bronze shade so you can't see where the transition takes place between both shades. Following this, I went off camera to do my lashes and my wings. Now I'm just going to prime my face with a regular drugstore primer, and as you can see, I've already color correct the areas that I want to make the foundation lay seamlessly. Now I'm going in with my Technic foundation shade Adjust Drop, and I'm applying a few of this to my face, a few drops of this to my face. Then I'll be going in with the Fenty Beauty foundation, and then I'll be blending this properly so it's rested seamlessly in my skin. And you'll see from the video that I went down to my neck area to make sure that all the transition between my skin tone matches. And you want to take your time when doing this, because applying the foundation, it does take time because you want it to rest seamlessly in your skin so it doesn't go cakey. Once done, I went in with my LA Girl Pro Concealer in Toasted, and I applied this to my nose bridge area, underneath my eyes, my chin, my forehead, and also just above my lip area. I then use a damp beauty sponge to blend this so it's rested seamlessly into my skin and just look absolutely flawless. Once I'm finished with the beauty blender, I went in with my Real Technique buffer brush and I blend this a bit more into my skin before I set it with my Sacha buttercup setting powder. I now contoured with my Coca LA Girl Pro Concealer to further define all those highlighted areas. I now went in with my contour brush and I'm blending this into my skin in a circular and also a downward motion so both concealers can be blended seamlessly and you can't see where the transition takes place. I then set the highlighted area with my Sacha buttercup setting powder, and I'm not really baking, so I'm just applying multiple layers and then I dust it off after around a minute or so. I then define my contoured area with the LA Girl Pro Press powder in Coca, and I'm just blending this so my face looks absolutely flawless when I'm done. As you can already see, it's standing out a lot. I then proceeded to dusting off the excess setting powder before setting my face. Following this, I dust the excess powder off using my Avon finishing powder, and my camera battery died, so I done my lips off camera, and yeah, that's the end of the look, guys. The lipstick that I've used was just a regular pink lip liner, and then I'll fill it in with a pink lipstick and apply a little bit of glitter, and that's it. This is the final look, guys. If you like it, don't forget to comment, subscribe and share. You have to hit that subscribe button to support your girl. Yeah. Until next time, guys, and I'll see you in my other video. Until then, peace out.